Have you ever imagined building your own ChatGPT AI bot? In this project, I use PictoBlox and the ChatGPT extension to create a simple but powerful AI chatbot. The idea is very simple. The user asks a question, the program sends it to ChatGPT, and the AI generates a smart answer instantly. No complicated setup. Just connect the extension, write a few blocks or Python lines, and your AI assistant is ready. This kind of project is perfect for students learning AI, robotics, and programming, because it shows how artificial intelligence can be integrated into real STEM applications. Imagine connecting this bot to a robot, a smart assistant, or even a voice system. And this is just the beginning. If you want to learn more AI, robotics, and engineering projects, subscribe to the channel Rayan Kiwan Electronics and start building technology instead of just using it.